So for my last technology, I chose Idroo, which is a virtual whiteboard. This is particularly important for my game design class because the way my classroom is set up, my whiteboard is basically stuck on the wall, opposite of the way my students are facing to be at their computers. So I can project things on the wall in front of them while they're working on their computers, and this allows me to have basically a whiteboard to be working on while they're working so I can show them notes and walk them through different projects. So how this works is that you basically can create your own board. Um, this is the free version, so there's no storing of it, but I could like screenshot it when I was done. You can have text boxes and you can write out, whatever you might be working on. And you can also use like a normal marker on it to make uh, drawings or write it out. I like the text box a little bit better because it's neater. But it has a lot of different functions um, that are helpful for trying to be um, trying to show the students different problems or how to start scripts, which would be really helpful for my classroom. So like I said, I would use this specifically with my game design students or my computer science students due to the layout of my room. And this is aligned with ISTE standard 3.1b, which says that educational leaders are to ensure all students have access to the technology and connectivity necessary to participate in authentic and engaging learning opportunities. It's not very functional to have the students trying to copy what I'm writing on a board that's completely behind them. Um, it also is aligned with ISTE 3.1.A, which is to ensure all students have a skilled teacher who actively uses technology to meet students' learning needs. So that's how I would use Idroo with my students.